I've done it though. What?
What happened here?
Shooter, signify when ready.
Ready.
Shooter, stand by. You can reload or holster, whichever you want. 752.
752.
And proceed. This one will either be strong hand or weak hand. Your call. Shooter, signify when ready.
Ready.
Shooter, stand by. You can reload. 819.
819.
Shooter, signify when ready. This will be weak hand.
All right, ready.
Shooter, stand by. Shooter, show clear. Keep your gun pointed downrange.
Okay, sorry.
That's clear. Slide down, hammer down, and holster. Range is clear.
Time?
991.
991.
4 Alpha, 5 Alpha, 1 Charlie.
5 Alpha, 1 Charlie.
Huh. 3 Charlie, 2 Delta, 1 Mike.
3 Charlie, 2 Delta, 1 Mike.
One Alpha, 4 Charlie, 1 Delta.
1 Alpha, 4 Charlie, 1 Delta.
You know how it goes different ways? The way you shoot it, like left-handed. There must be
4 Alpha, 2 Charlie.
4 Alpha, 2 Charlie.
Well, your trigger pull's different too.
Yeah.
Instead of slapping to the left, you slap to the right.
Right.